Do you need to factory reset your Amazon Echo Dot Kids 5th Gen? Whether you're troubleshooting issues, setting up for a new child, or preparing to sell it, let's see the quickest way to take it back to its default settings.
This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Alright, so if you still have access to the device in the Alexa app, just open the app. From the app dashboard, select your Echo device. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and choose Deregister. Then confirm by tapping Deregister once again in the pop-up. Now your Echo is unlinked, but just the leftover profile cache is triggering this message. Don't worry, just hit OK. Now after that, just leave your Echo plugged in for a while. This will remove itself from your Amazon account and will automatically reset itself.
Now in setup mode.
Now for some reason, if the device isn't accessible in the Alexa app, you can reset it using its physical buttons. So press and hold the action button on your Echo. Just keep holding it even the device announces that it's in setup mode. Now after about 20 seconds, you'll hear it say that it's resetting the device.
This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Now release the button and wait patiently because the reset process can take a couple of minutes. So once it's finished, you'll see a spinning yellow light and the Echo will greet you in 2 different languages.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
And that's a sign the
Hola.
device has been successfully
Vamos a empezar.
reset and is ready to be set up once again. Thanks for your time.